Descaling your kettle of lime scale has never been easier thanks to Coca-Cola. Just pour the whole bottle of Coca-Cola into the kettle and then boil the Coke. Leave to stand for 30 minutes. Then throw away the Coke and wash the kettle. After cutting vegetables, its waste always makes your cutting board and the table busy and dirty. To keep the area clean, use the box to create a hanging garbage bin. Hang the box at the edge of the table and place the cutting board on top of it. Save a lot of cleanup with this hack. If you are struggling to get a decent amount of liquid out of a lime, turns out you might be cutting it all wrong. Most people cut the lime into half and then try to get the juice out by squeezing it, but it's very hard to do it as it is so stone. Save your energy by using the following method. Stand the lime vertically on the cutting board. Use a sharp knife to cut the size of the lime, coming close to the stem. You can cut all four sides of the lime. You'll be able to squeeze out all the juice from the jig with little effort. And you can even get a few drops from the core. Garlic skin can be rough on your hand, and they are too small for a traditional peeler, as it takes much time to peel them all. Luckily, there are a way to peel garlic quickly. This trick is very fast, but you need more than one clove. Separate the clove and place your clove inside an old sturdy plastic bottle and screw the top tightly. Shake vigorously for 15 seconds. Make sure that you hear the garlic slamming against the side of the container. Open the bottle. Pour the garlic cloves and the skins. They should be fully peeled. You can use napkins to design your dining table. Fold a napkin like this. You can choose any colors or design you like. After you're done folding, it should look like this. Flip it over and place it on a plate. And then you just stick with everyone there. For example, chopstick, forks, spoons, and knives. Sometimes if your napkin is big enough, you can stick one of those salad spoons in there. Here is another one. You can fold your napkin like this one. This is a rectangle shaped one. After you're done folding, you just stick with anything you want. A spoon, a fork, or a knife. Pouring the waters or any type of liquids to a bottle could be a headache. You may pour the waters all over the bottle. You can make a simple funnel out of a Coke or drinking bottle. You might get a knife and cut the bottle in half. Cut it where the cone begins. Remove the lid because you don't need it. Now, place the funnel on the top of the bottle. And ta-da! It's difficult to remember the useful lifetime of a product after its package has been opened for the first time. So you can write the date on a piece of paper and stick it to the product itself.